Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware. Look at the GPU outputs and monitor inputs. No HDMI versus DisplayPort versus USB-C. Once done, match cables and pick any active adapters. Passive adapters only work in specific cases, so be careful. Power down the computer, plug the primary monitor into the best GPU port, then plug the second monitor into the next available port. Take a moment to secure cable seating. Loose connections create flicker later. Boot your PC and open display settings. The system should detect both monitors. If not, hit detect. Drag monitors to match physical layout, set the primary display, then choose native resolutions and appropriate refresh rates so images are sharp and smooth. Make sure scaling is comfortable for readable text. Mismatched scaling causes cursor jumps. Then open the GPU control panel to set color profiles, multi-monitor optimizations, and confirm multi-GPU. Finish by testing. Drag windows, run a video full screen, and check taskbar behavior so everything behaves as you expect. If a monitor is blank or flickers, swap cables or ports to isolate whether it's the cable, port, or monitor. Adapters can be the weak link. If problems persist, update GPU drivers, restart, and reset display configurations. This often resolves handshake errors. Finally, consider firmware updates for monitors and ensure power delivery is stable. That one tip fixes surprising issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.